Welcome back, everybody. We're here for the final day at the Pan Am Male Bowling Championships and the last event, the team event. All the teams bowled 3 games yesterday, they're bowling 3 games today, and the total pinfall after the 16 games will determine the gold, silver, and bronze medal. USA was in the lead after the first 3 games, and they got 3 more today to see if they can get to the gold. Let's find out if they can get it done.
Una medalla de oro para los Estados Unidos. Gold medal for United States. John Janovich, Darren Tang, Chris Villa, Matthew Russo, Nicholas Payne y Brandon Bohn.
Back from Pan Am Games. Right? I keep getting it mixed up with Pan Am Games and the PAPCON.
That's what it used to be called.
So anyway, back from the Dominican Republic.
Or and what I said, that works too.
Dominican Republic, that's where we were.
Yeah, that works.
And 2 gold medals in my first ever Team USA experience. One of them I didn't even throw a ball for, but that's okay, we're not gonna talk about it. And
they only had 5 guys ball in the team event, and 6 went. And Brandon paced for 6 games.
It's alright. You know, based on the other 5 guys that were balling, I'm gonna put them on more than I'm gonna put me on, and I have a lot of confidence in myself. So
let them do their thing. Let them go get the gold, and
I'll watch. I'll be a cheerleader.
Ride the wave.
That's what I told people. So shout out to Brian, Andy, and Kendra for making this trip amazing, and my teammates for giving me an experience that I'll never forget. And this was truly an unbelievable trip, and I don't even have words for it. And it's a few days after. It's just an unbelievable experience to represent Team USA, and like I said, something I'll never forget and I'll remember for a long, long time. So
much for not having words for it.
I don't even have words for it.
It's close enough. It's not a lot of
words.
Close enough. But anyway, that's gonna wrap this one up, and my first ever Team USA experience. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. We have a lot of content coming.
We do. June's gonna be packed. June's gonna be packed.
You're not gonna wanna miss it. We'll see you on the next one.
Peace.